Hi, from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Today we're going to make you a very easy, tasty Oriental cookie called Mung Bean Cookie. Just soak whatever you want to eat, like half bag of mung bean for an hour. You need to steam your mung bean and rice first, like this. Ratio of 1 water, 1 mung bean and sweet rice together. Cook high and low until it cooked or steamed it, whatever you like. So I put about 1, 2, 3 big tablespoons of mung bean. We're going to combine potato starch, rice flour with cooked mung bean, 2 tablespoons like that of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of this, a big tablespoon of sugar. Turn on the pan to fry in the pan. Put oil into the mix, about a tablespoon, and some oil in the pan. We're not going to deep fry, we'll make it into a bread like. A little bit of yogurt to make it healthy. 2 tablespoons. Gradually add soy milk into here. The reason for it is we don't want it too wet. Gradually add in half cup. We just mix them like that, and we'll gradually to see how much water we need, okay? About 1/4 cup is already wet, so don't put more than that. That's why you have to do with a liquid. To make this, you have to go gradual to see if you need it or not, okay? This is a consistency already that look really good. Mix it good so everything mixed together, okay? And then we just make into a little batter, put it in like a ball. A little bit of oil on top. We don't want to deep fry it and flatten it out to not stick. You want it thinner, you can make it thinner. So we'll make about 6 mung bean cookies. Flip it over to cook on the other side. These mung bean cookies are protein-rich cookie. You can eat it by itself or drizzle it with honey. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.